Good day, my friends. Hope you're doing well, healthy, and safe. In this video, we're going to be setting up NiFi for Windows, and here we go. So to download NiFi, it's really simple. We're just going to go to Google, type NiFi in the search bar, and then go to nifi.apache.org website. Once here, we're going to go under the Downloads tab and select Download NiFi. In this page, you'll find all the different releases, and we're going to be downloading the last release. To be exact, we're going to download the binaries in a zip format through this link right here. We're just going to wait for the file to be downloaded. It's 1.5 gigabytes, so for those of you who have a slow internet connection, it may take some time. Okay, so to run NiFi, we know that we need Java. But which version of Java we should go for? Can we download any version randomly, or does NiFi require a specific version of Java? So when you have these kind of questions, ambiguities, or something is not clear for you, you should always go and look for the answer in the documentation. Now here's the documentation, and I believe that we are in this part where we're downloading and installing NiFi, so I'm just gonna go to this section. And you can see a note right here that says NiFi requires Java 8 or 11. That answers our question, and now we know for sure which version of Java we should be downloading. Okay, so now we're just gonna download Java. I'm opening a new tab, and I'm gonna type download JDK8. I'm gonna go to the Oracle website, scroll down, and since I am on Windows, then I'm gonna download this one. I have to accept the terms first, click on download. Now they're asking me to sign in, but if you do not have an account, you should probably create one first. If you do, then you just sign in and your file is gonna start downloading. And that's it. Once our download is completed, we can go on and open it. Click on yes to execute it. Next. Next. Wait for it to be installed. It's gonna be installed in this path right here, and you can always modify the location if you want, but I'm just gonna leave it there and click on next. Now the installation is gonna continue. It may take some time. Once it's done, you can go on and close it. Now I'm gonna go and open up the command line, type javac. It says that it didn't recognize this command, and that's because we need to set up our environment variables first. So that's what we're gonna do next. Now we have installed Java under program files. So I'm gonna go there, JDK, and then I'm gonna copy this path because I need it to set up my environment variable. And to do that, I'm just going to the configuration panel, type system in the search bar, click on modify environment variables, and then click on environment variables. Here we have our system variables, and we're going to add a new one, which is called Java Home. We're going to paste our path that we've just copied in here and click on OK. Now in the path variable, we're just going to modify it and add a new path, which is the same path, but we're going to add to it the bin folder. Click on OK, OK, and another OK. Close the configuration panel. Now I'm just going to open the command line, type javac, and it's working. Okay, so back to the documentation. Downloading and installing NiFi. That's checked. Starting NiFi for Windows users. That's going to be our next step. It says here that we have to navigate to the folder where NiFi was installed. Okay, we have downloaded NiFi in a zip format, So we have to extract it first. I'm just gonna extract it under my C folder and click on OK. Here is my C folder, and here is NiFi. After navigating to that folder, we're gonna have a subfolder named bin. Here is it. Navigate to the subfolder and double-click the Run NiFi bat file. We're gonna double-click on it. So back to the documentation. I'm gonna go to the Getting Started section. Now we've downloaded and installed NiFi. We've started NiFi. And now what? It says here that we have to open a web browser, navigate to localhost, port 8080/NiFi, and this will bring up the user interface. So let's try it out. And yeah, it's working. So if you followed the steps just as I did in this video, it should be working for you as well. And this is the NiFi UI, which we will be talking about in more detail in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. Hope you guys find this video enjoyable and helpful, and see you guys next time.